Friends, today we are going to learn about even. Even বাংলা অর্থ এমন কি, but even can be used in different ways in sentences. Even is used to mean when people do more than we expect. Here, after be verb or auxiliary, even can be used. She has broken all her toys. She has even broken her bikes. Even. He is rude to everybody. He is even rude to the police. Even plus other verbs. She speaks a lot of languages. He even speaks Spanish. Even. Even plus words. The words that we want to emphasize. Anybody can do this. Even a child can do it. A child. I work every day, even on Fridays. Friday. Not plus even, to express surprise. He cannot even write his own name. বিস্ময় প্রকাশ করতে এটা ব্যবহৃত হয়। She did not even offer me a cup of tea. Even if, even though, এমনকি যদি এরকম অর্থে, even if I become a rich man, I shall not forget you. Even though I didn't know all at the party, I understand. Even so, however, he seems nice. Even so, I don't really trust him. Thank you.